Oh, so guys, I've sold all my chicken. It has been a tough time, but like, can I say good things are coming? So this was my poultry house. Let me show you. This was my poultry house, and we have sold all our chicken. The old stock that I had, we have sold all of them. These are the feeders. This is the remaining feed in the feeders, and that is one of the chicken that remained. That is a younger one. Yes. And we also have some where the chicken usually lay their eggs. This place is where they lay their eggs. So what we did, we usually put some wood shavings inside here or dry grass. Then they will lay their eggs here. And also on the other side, as you can see, this was the other room that we kept our chicken of the different breeds. Over 500 laying chicken, our breeding stock. But now we have sold all the chicken. Most of the people usually ask me why I usually put these, you can see this wire mesh over here. And the main reason I usually put wire mesh here is for the biosecurity. The biosecurity of the farm. Biosecurity means life and security means, So we have to protect the life of the animals, because at any moment the chicken usually try and eat their own poop if there is no enough feed here, and that can lead to diseases such as cholera, typhoid, and even Newcastle, which can be transmitted through the poop. So that is the reason why I usually use these wire mesh. And the better part is that I usually have these roasting patches over here. So even if we have these wire mesh over here, the chicken usually sleep on the patches. I have these small patches over here, so this one should not worry you that much. And also the other reason is that when if you collect these chicken manure down here, the better thing is that you usually get the only pure chicken poop which can be used as manure, instead of that one that has been mixed with wood shavings or the rice husks, has a reduced nutrients in terms of the manure. So that is what is going on my farm now. So what we are doing, I have a secret for you. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share, because we have something big coming. So guys, as you can see, this house, as I have made it, we are still constructing it. This house, as you can see, the door from here up to here, this door measures around 8 feet wide, and going up there, myself, I'm 6'5", I'm a very tall person. Going up there, here, up to this point, from the ground here, it is around 9 feet high. That is how high this house, the door of this house is. So the main purpose of this house, as I have said, we are trying to expand on our poultry farm. So this is a window, and this is also a window, but we will not put windows there. Yes, we will not put windows there. The floor here has not yet been completed. I will tell you what we will put here later. The floor here has not yet been completed, as you can see, but we are still on the progress. The only thing we are waiting for is this thing, the lintel, for it to dry well, so that the mason can come and put a roof on this structure. It is a very simple structure, as you can see it. I will tell you after we have finished constructing this structure how much it would have cost us to construct such a structure. The structure is around, from this end to that end, is around 18 feet by 16 feet wide. So I'll tell you the total cost of such a construction by the end of this video. So as you can see, this door here, it is a very large door. It is at the welding guy is still welding it out. So after he has done with the welding, I'll go and bring it. In the next 2 days, he'll have finished the job. So after that is when we will bring the door, and then we will finish constructing them, we will construct the floor. So the main reason, guys, why I have constructed this structure is for this is a hatchery. As you guys, you can know, a hatchery is whereby you can put those incubators and hatches so that you will be able to hatch many chicks. I will not tell you the capacity currently, but guys, just take into consideration this is a hatchery. So there we will put roofs. I think you know something known as in the Stevenson screens, they usually have those kind of ventilation. We don't put a window there because the incubators usually need enough air all throughout. Yes. So there is our neighbor, and here it's very green, very green. Here is Africa. So we will put roofs here, from here up to here, roofs all the way up to there, also here from there up to there, and here is the section of the door. So inside here we will have incubators. I will not tell you the capacity yet until everything comes into place, and it is just the start. So guys, we will be producing you think I will tell you? Nah, we will be producing quality chicks for you farmers. So this one is our hatchery house. Progress of the hatchery house. Success story. Day 2 of constructing a modern hatchery unit. Yes. So guys, make sure you subscribe, because tomorrow I have a big surprise for you. Tomorrow or 2 days from now, I'll have a very big surprise for you. So this will be our old poultry house, and the only thing that this poultry house will try to renovate it, and we'll be use it as a demo farm. And this will be used for training for our local farmers in our area, so that we can impact them with the right knowledge for them to be able to rear and be able to be profitable in the poultry farming venture. Because you know, most of these farmers, they can have that urge to want to do poultry farming, but they don't have the know-how, the proper know-how. They only have that traditional way of how to rear chicken. And if you try the traditional way of how to rear chicken, kitakuramba, because there are so many things that you have to take into consideration, the new diseases, because currently things have really changed in the world of farming. So guys, if you want to join the journey, like, comment and share. This is my first episode, but I will be putting episodes after episodes as time goes by. So this is just the start. I will be consistent, and I will take you through the journey of how things will turn out. Guys, you know how we do it. This is just the beginning. Let's support the channel and let's head to 10,000 subscribers. It's just what you believe in.